Turn it on. Hi, this is Farshid with another video just for you. Are you tired of looking at that cord down there? Let me show you how to get rid of it.
If you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos.
Spot the location of the new outlet, grab the J-box and the level. Then draw the outline of the J-box. Next, grab the drywall saw and cut the hole.
Yep, there's definitely something in here.
Next, let's dry fit the J-box. Make sure it fits. Then turn power off. Next, remove the outlet that we're going to connect to our source. This is the wire that I'm using, 12 gauge 2 conductor with a ground.
This should be enough. All right, so we're going to fish this up, see if you can catch it on the top. All right, here we go. All right, through that side there. Let's see how we do. So I'm going to leave about a foot and then just bend it in like that. Done. Feed your wire through like that. Now we can mount our J-box.
Next, I remove the insulation from the bundle. 8 to 9 inches should be good enough. This will expose the black wire, which is the hot, white wire, which is the neutral, and then we have the copper wire, which is the ground. Now, a word from our sponsor, Red Disc Seal, inventors of bathtub spout rear seal.
Outlet that we're going to use is this outlet right here, which the wires will come in through the back.
Here I am stripping the individual wires, the white one, which is neutral, the black one, which is hot, and the copper, which is the ground. Even though this house doesn't use the ground, I'm going to make the connection anyways. This is just good practice. Here's the J-hook for the ground connection. So we're going to keep the orientation of the outlet the same with the ground up. First connection is going to be our ground connection. And remember, we're going to put the wire under the screw in the direction that as we tighten the screw, it's going to pull the wire and wrap it around the screw. So here's how it's going to work, just like that. And then pinch the end of the wire using needle nose. And then notice again, as I'm tightening the screw, it will wrap the wire around the screw. So that is the correct way of doing it. And using good outlets like this is key, where the wire goes behind the tab that is under the screw. I just put in the wire behind the tab and turning the screw clockwise. Make sure it's nice and tight. Next, making a connection to the bottom outlet, which is the source outlet. Making a note that this J-box is metal, and whenever I have a metal J-box, I take electrical tape and cover the terminals with electrical tape, at least a couple of turns. This is to prevent any potential short that could happen as we're putting the outlet in or pulling it out. Even though this house doesn't have a grounded J-box, it's just good practice. Next, we turn on the breaker. It's been 35 minutes, not bad. Power's on, and you notice there was only one amber light on. And here's again the reason. If you look at this, it will tell me that we have an open ground, which we suspected anyways. Here I'm using some drywall mud to make some repair to the damage that was done to the drywall. Then using a damp towel to remove the excess mud.
That's a pretty good
Once the mud is dry, taking a little bit of a paint, feathering in using the brush. Once the paint is dry, the cover is put back on. So this whole thing took less than an hour, even though I had a little bit of a drywall damage that I need to fix. That looks much better. No cord hanging down from the TV, and it took less than an hour. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Here's the before and after. Here's where we have the cord and no cord. Some of the tools and parts I used.